How to make your Bitmoji dynamic on Snapchat. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your Bitmoji dynamic on Snapchat. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, go to the search bar on the top and search for Snapchat application. Now look for updates that may be available for your Snapchat app. If there are updates available, then update your app. If not, then go back to your home page. From your home page, open Snapchat app. Now you will land to this recording page. Make sure you are logged in to your account on Snapchat. On the top left corner, tap on your profile picture. From your profile section, tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. From your settings, tap on the Bitmoji option. Inside your Bitmoji, you will see these kind of options. Select the second option, Edit My Bitmoji. Now from this interface, you can customize your Bitmoji. You can also go to the option Change My Outfit to change your outfit. If you want to choose a selfie instead, you can also click on Choose a Selfie. By using these features, you can make your Bitmoji. By using these features, you can make your Bitmoji more dynamic. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.